Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets recovered losses in the past 24 hours as analysts said supply overhang concerns stemming from defunct exchange Mt. Gox's planned distribution of 140,000 BTC are overdone. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, hovered near the $62,000 crucial mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.6% at 78,540 points. Separately, BTC, a liquidity proxy for macro traders, is down almost 10% for the month, starkly contrasting with a 5% gain in Wall Street's tech-heavy index, Nasdaq. The different trajectories might foreshadow a tightening of liquidity conditions in financial markets and be a bearish signal for Nasdaq. Furthermore, Bybit, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in Singapore, has ascended to become the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange, surpassing Coinbase in March. According to Geico, Bybit's market share surged from 8% to 16% since October, overtaking Coinbase in March. Meanwhile, Binance's dominance fell from 60% to 54%, partly due to regulatory challenges such as the $4.3 billion settlement for anti-money laundering violations. In other news, the notional open interest in Bitcoin futures listed across centralized exchanges has declined by 14% to $37 billion since June 7. The decline represents the unwinding of carry or basis trades due to negative funding rates, according to analysts at Bitfinex. Meanwhile, the impending US-based spot Ether ETFs could see less demand than their already live BTC peers, broker Bernstein said in a report, echoing recent comments by investment banking giant JP Morgan. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.27 trillion mark, increasing 0.7% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 30% to $64 billion. According to the popular Fear and Greed Index, which gauges emotions and sentiments from various sources, the market is in a state of fear. This might mean that there's a temporary bottom in place, but it might also mean that uncertainty is the predominant force right now. Interestingly, DogeCoin, the cryptocurrency linked to Telegram, has surged by 20% and its whales have increased their accumulation. Well, an on-chain assessment of Dawn whale activity revealed an uptick in the last month, with the count of almost Dawn whales holding between 1,000 and more than that coins, increasing by 15% in the last 30 days. US stock futures rose after the S&P 500 rebounded from a rough start to the week. S&P 500 futures rose 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.19%. Futures tied to Dow Jones Industrial Average traded flat, while Bitcoin was trading at $61,400, up by 0.7%, while at the same time, Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.5%, trading at $3,380. And Binance's BNB token was up by 1% to trade at $575. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up 1% and was trading at $136. If we talk about Cardano's ADA token, it was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.38, while Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $26, high by 3.6%. Simultaneously, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2% at $0.12, whereas Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.5%. Simultaneously, Polkadot was up by 1% to trade at $5.8. However, Polygon's Matic token was trading down by 2.7% to trade at $0.55, and Ripple 6 Happy token traded at $0.47, down by 0.5%. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Hive Digital Technologies, a cryptocurrency mining company, reported a positive fiscal year in 2024 with an annual revenue of $114.5 million and adjusted EBITDA of $37.5 million. The company mined 3,123 Bitcoin and held 2,287 Bitcoin worth $161.3 million on its balance sheet at year-end. Revenue increased by approximately 8% compared to the previous fiscal year, with $111 million generated from digital currency mining and $3.4 million from its high-performance computing business. Hive achieved a gross operating margin of $40.3 million, representing a 36% operating margin. Despite reporting a net loss of $51.2 million for the year, Hive emphasized that this figure includes significant non-cash charges such as $66.4 million in depreciation and a $6.8 million provision on sales tax receivables. The company noted a comprehensive income of $25 million when factoring in $77.3 million gain from the revaluation of digital currencies. Zodiac Custody has partnered with 21 Shares to offer custody services for physically backed crypto exchange traded products in Switzerland and the European market. The partnership aims to provide 21 Shares investors with additional security and regulatory compliance for its ETPs. Institutions using 21 Shares for ETP investment will gain access to cold storage wallets with 24/7 instant access. Zodiac Custody's head of financial product development, Mandy Chu, stated that the partnership will have a real impact on the entire ecosystem without any compromise on security, risk management, or compliance. According to 21 Shares, by the end of Q1 this year, 937 professional investors owned $11 billion in US spot Bitcoin ETFs, representing around 20% of ETFs' total assets. Gold ETFs had only 95 professional investors in their first quarter post-launch, representing less than 10% of Bitcoin ETFs' reach. Strike, a Bitcoin-based payment app, has launched operations in the UK, expanding its global reach after launching in Europe and Africa. The app allows users to buy, sell, and withdraw funds using Bitcoin or sterling. Strike, which operates in over 100 countries and territories, has been expanding aggressively and is committed to further Bitcoin adoption globally. The UK, the second largest economy in Europe and sixth largest globally, presents significant opportunities for Bitcoin adoption. The company will serve clients cross-border from its European base, and the Financial Conduct Authority registered firm Engelbert will ensure compliance with the regulatory requirements regarding crypto promotions. Strike, developed by Chicago-based startup Zap Solutions, allows customers to send and receive money worldwide, similar to Cash App or PayPal. The app uses Bitcoin's Lightning Network for payments, making transfers quicker as well as cheaper.